This is my pack explosion for Ramdino's End of Days Hike 2024 on the Foothills Trail. We are expecting rain all weekend, so I've got a trash compactor bag to line my pack just in case, you never know, and a rain cover, and a Z-Packs umbrella, a Sea to Summit bag for my electronics, the Flash Air 2 two-person tent, toiletries and water. I'm using the Frog Togs rain suit, Z-Packs booties, got some sleep clothes, some hiking shorts in case it gets warm towards the end of this 5-day odyssey, a 10-degree mummy sleeping bag from Z-Packs, sleeping bag liner, mostly to keep it clean, not that I think I need the extra warmth, glove liners and waterproof gloves, the Montbell Puffy, the Walmart Special Hunting Orange knit cap, a pillow, the Speed Valve Thermarest pad, way too much food, 5 days of food. We know fresh ground is already there, so much of this will likely go uneaten. Pocket rocket, a titanium cook pot, bear bag, Hoka Speed Goat 5s. Ooh, and this little stocking stuffer, the Alpen Glow Gear Alpen Blow, is a miniature pump for my air pad. It is powered by the Anchor battery that I'm already carrying. So that's my probable load for the Foothills Trail End of Days Hike 2024. I will let you know what my pack weighs when I get started. I am gonna cache about 2/3 of this food, 1/3 of the way into the trail. We're doing a yo-yo and out and back, so I will pass that cache twice. I will not have to carry all this food at once. Check in later.